Younghua Construction and Engineering, which has dedicated itself to the steel structure industry since it was founded in 1988, is becoming a global specialist by aggressively exploring domestic and overseas markets based on its rich experience and accumulated technologies. Younghua is producing various fabricated steel products, ranging from multi-purpose apartments and commercial buildings to steel structures, to various plants such as semiconductor plants, petrochemical plants, and LNG plants. To cope with the rapidly changing market environment, it has established branch offices and plants in China and UAE, and it is strengthening its competitiveness by expanding into overseas markets. By acquiring ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certifications, Grade A Steel Structure Factory certification from the Korean government, and Grade H Steel Structure Factory certification from the Japanese government. It is doing its best to give customers satisfaction and impression by improving product quality. As the result, it has been ranked #1 steel structure company 6 years in a row in annual construction capability evaluation since 2003. In 2007, it achieved $30 million in exports by achieving 259.8 billion won in sales, 23.7 billion won in gross profit, and 10.6 billion won in net profit. It has proven itself as a company of reliable growth, based on the technology accumulated from experience and outstanding manufacturing capabilities. Younghua Engineering will lead the way in creating new values. Started with its headquarters located in Yeouido, Seoul, Younghua Engineering has expanded its production capacity by establishing production plants in Yeoju, Gyeonggi-do, Dangjin, and Hongseong, Chungnam, as well as the Dubai plant in UAE and the Bongdae plant in Shendongshen, China. By doing so, it has established a system that can handle the production of every steel structure used in large projects around the world. Younghua possesses over 330,000 square meters yard in Korea, as well as various outstanding facilities, which guarantees stable production environment and greater corporate values and competitiveness. In overseas fabrication plants, the Bongdae plant in China has been continuing stable production activities by expanding its production capacity since its foundation in 2002. Its location within the industrial complex of Rangjin Port makes it possible to unload and offload raw materials and products directly between ship and yard without any local transportation, which strengthens cost competitiveness by reducing logistical costs. The Dubai plant in UAE was established as a joint venture with one of the Japanese companies, Mitsui Corporation and Company, in 2006 to expand its business in the Middle Eastern market. It has been actively operated since 2008 using many experience and sales network of Mitsui and Company and should be a bigger overseas plant in the future. The steel fabrication is an industry that builds the frame of buildings, plants, and bridges using steel structures. It is also an industry that meets different demands of customers with perfect engineering design ability. Younghua Construction and Engineering has world-leading steel framework engineering capabilities using 3D modeling technologies, which allows it to design more complex 3D structures. Furthermore, 3D steel engineering is a technology that the major companies in Korea and Japan have not been able to come true. However, Younghua currently has over 100 3D steel engineering experts working in China and Malaysia. The major companies that work with Younghua Construction Engineering consider Younghua to be their best business partner for utilizing 3D-based steel framework engineering technologies in the most effective manner. The future that Younghua will build is a happy life, while satisfying its customers and gaining their trust as the leader of Korea's steel fabricator. Younghua will contribute to the happiness of mankind by developing new businesses that will be growth engines for making our life more convenient and clear. By carrying out customer satisfaction management based on endless technology developments and value creation, Younghua will complete its roles and responsibilities as a technological partner that meets customer expectations. Over the past 20 years, Younghwa Construction and Engineering has served as the foundation in construction industry in Korea and overseas. Through endless technology developments and quality management efforts, Younghwa Construction and Engineering will offer greater value realization to the customers with the highest quality products and services. Trust and reliability to society with upright management, and will become a company that makes everyone's dreams come true.